Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
I will explain how Gmail read receipts work and the main limitations you need to know. First, read receipts are available for Google Workspace and G Suite for education accounts only. Free at Gmail.com users cannot reliably request receipts from arbitrary recipients. Recipients inside your organization are more likely to send receipts automatically. External recipients may receive a prompt to approve a read receipt. Keep this in mind before relying on receipts for important confirmations. Open Gmail on the web and click Compose to start a new message. Write your email, add recipients, and attach any files you need. Click the 3 vertical dots at the bottom right of the Compose window to open more options. Choose Request Read Receipt from the menu before you click Send. After you send, Gmail will attempt to capture a receipt when the recipient opens the message. You will receive an email notification when a receipt is returned to you. If you cannot see the Request Read Receipt option, then ask your Google Workspace admin to enable it. The admin opens Admin Console, goes to Apps, chooses Google Workspace, selects Gmail, and edits user settings to enable read receipts. Enabling this setting typically takes only a few minutes. If receipts are not suitable, consider third-party tools like MailTrack that use tracking pixels. Remember that pixel trackers fail when recipients block images. Always follow privacy rules when tracking email opens.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.